Welcome. We're going to look into how to use the side splitter theorem to find the missing side of a triangle. So here's a typical question. You're given triangle ABC in the diagram below. Here we go, ABC, and then they're telling you that DE is parallel to AB. So the line DE is 4 and AB is 10, and CD is X and DA is X plus 3. And now you need to find the value of X, okay? So pretty much everything that they have laid out in the question is given on the triangle as well. And if it's not, then, it's your job also to put the values in there. And so just a little refresher on side splitter theorem. So we know that if a line is parallel to one side of a triangle and intersects the other two sides, it divides both sides proportionally. And so you're given the following triangle ABC, where MN and BC are parallel. So it means that AM over MB is equal to AN over NC. All right. And let's bring in another relationship. This also means that A B over BC equals, so we're taking the bigger triangle, AB over BC equals to AM over MN. AM over MN, okay? And you could have done the same thing for the other side. So AC over BC is the same thing as AN over MN, all right? So as long as we are looking into the proportional side of both triangles, so this may seem like a bigger triangle and small triangle, then we're pretty much set, okay? And so let's look into what's given to us. I'm gonna highlight the bigger triangle is this, okay? All right. And so I also have a little smaller triangle, which is here, like that. All right, and let's see what's given to us and what we need to find out. So clearly, I am given the following side, which I can get by adding x and the x plus 3. So here I can have x plus 3. All right, so I'm adding this x plus 3 with the x on top. And when you do all this, you end up with 2x plus 2 because you're combining like terms. Okay, so pretty much this big side here is 2x plus 3. In other words, AC, all right, if you were to say the side AC equals to 2x plus 3. And we can write that here as well, AC, okay? Now, and we're given, so if I were to say AC over AB equals to CD over DE. Yeah, that would work out because I have the variable x and I'm just going to set it up and solve for x. So let's do that. I'm going to take this color here. So I'm going to say AC, which is, well, let's write down AC over AB equals DC or CD, same thing, over DE. Okay. And so let's just substitute the values in. AC is 2x plus 3, and AB is 10, and DC is x, and DE is 4. And what we are going to do now is we're just going to cross multiply it. So this gets multiplied with this, and this gets multiplied with the 4. Okay, so that would give us 2x plus 3 times 4, 2x plus 3 multiplied by 4 equals 10 times x is 10x. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'll solve this for x. So I'll have to distribute this out. 4 times 3 and then 4 times 2x. So 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times 3 is 12. And all of that equals to 10x. This is all wonderful, but I need to isolate the x by itself. So let's do minus 8x on this side. And whatever I do on the left side, I gotta do it on my right side. Minus 8x. And let's solve this in. This crosses out. I have 12 equals 2. What's 10 take away 8? It's 2. So 12 equals 2x. Now we're going to divide both sides by 2. 2 crosses out with the 2. And then 12 divided by 2 is actually 6. And so I get x equals to 6. And is that one of my answer choice? Yes, indeed. There's an answer choice here that tells us the value for x. And that's pretty much it. All you had to do was just set up the proportion accordingly. And you can solve similar problems by looking into the side that they are giving to you as long as you are consistent with it. So if you were given side CE and DE, so obviously you'll do CE over DE. And that would be proportionate to perhaps they would give you side CB over AB. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Until next time.